Find the difference quotient of f of x equals x squared minus x plus 5. First thing you need to know is what the difference quotient looks like. Quotient, I mean, it's a fraction. It looks like a fraction. Up top in the numerator, you're going to subtract f of x values. The first one is f of x plus h. Then you want to subtract f of x. This is the change between f of x as x goes from x to x plus h. So the change in x is h. So on the bottom is just going to be lowercase h. That is the difference quotient. All right, so to do this problem, let's figure out what f of x plus h is. We're going to plug x plus h into this function, into these two x locations. So we're going to have x plus h squared. We're going to need parentheses. So x plus h squared. Then I have this minus sign. Then I'm going to plug in x plus h here. Since it's two terms, I'm going to need parentheses again. So I have x plus h. Then I have this plus 5 here. So this whole thing right here is this piece right here, f of x plus h. Now I want to minus f of x. F of x is just this right here. So I'm going to subtract this whole thing. So I'm going to subtract, I'm going to put it in brackets here. So yeah, there's the minus f of x. And the bottom is lowercase h. All right, so now what you want to do is simplify this side right here. This is a binomial squared. If you do the formula on this, what you do is you square x squared, and then it's 2 times the two terms inside there, so it's going to be plus 2 times x plus h, and then plus the h squared. Or you can write it twice and FOIL it, you'll end up with the same thing. This one you're going to distribute, so you're going to have a minus x minus h, and you have this plus 5. Then you're going to distribute this right here. Have a minus x squared, double negative, which would be a plus x, and then a minus 5. And still lowercase h on the bottom. All right, so we got rid of the grouping symbols. Now you can see quite a few things cancel here. The x squared minus x squared, they're gone. This 5 minus 5 is gone, and this minus x plus x is gone. So in the numerator, we're left with 2xh plus h squared minus h. So we have 2xh plus h squared minus h. We can do one last step here. Notice that all the terms in the numerator all have an h in them. So this h can go into each of these terms up top. So this is going to reduce down to, this h will go into this one perfectly, left with 2x. This h will cancel one of these h's, so you're left with one h in the middle. And this h will go into this h perfectly one time. There's a minus sign there, so it's going to be minus 1. That is the difference quotient for this function. There you go.